All right, students, welcome to the Khan Academy lesson by Mr. Ellis. So here we are looking at, we're signed into the Khan Academy, and we're looking at this mission right here. We're all going to start kind of all in the same place. And this is just going to be our kind of home screen. This is what is in Google Classroom. So if you go to the Google Classroom, sign in, click the link, it'll take you right here. And so we can see there's all these different little kind of lessons here. And over here is where you're going to see kind of where it says mastery points. And then you have like for this one, you have 240 out of 2900. And I'm at level 1 and there's 8%. But this is really what you want to focus on, that 240. So if we start here, we can start with addition and subtraction. You can start with measurement and geometry. We can start with counting a place value. You can start at any one of these things. And generally, the blue button is helpful. Not this one. Don't go here. That's for Khan Academy kids. For 2 to 6. You are not 2 to 6. So we can go here, and it just starts you off right here. And you can do some practice. We can watch some videos. Generally, the blue buttons, again, are different places where you can go. So you just start, you hit a blue button, and we can start learning. We're going to practice the skill, hit start exercise, and then you just follow along and answer the questions. And if you can watch a video or use a hint, if you do that, then you don't get, I don't think, full points on your progress, but this is just a way for you to do that. This is, again, we're strengthening skills we already have. And we're just starting at the beginning because that's always a good place to start. So, watch this, and then remember to go to your Khan Academy to sign in, and that's what you're working on when we send you to your grade level mission. That's what we call it, grade level mission. Okay, work well. See you soon.